Yitzchak, the secret is out. Zad, the letzte Video mit du gemacht, der Oilum kommt zurück zu Michaim. Der Yitzchak gesagt, Zad, Diamant. Also, Pschitte Kamashmui, he's a diamond, a hidden jewel. Jede Schuhe von der Tug in Nacht kommen ihm schicken on WhatsApp and he opens the door and gives the best service. Wow! Yitzchak, you really are a good person for my followers. What is the
Rav Chaim, the secret is out. I would like to share another secret that we have, that till now we only did with friends and family, but I would like to share it with your family, the Perlowitz followers.
Perlowitz family followers.
Yes, nice family, nice people, many good experiences, Baruch Hashem. Is azoi. We all know that diamond jewelry is expensive, an expensive item. You go into a store, you want to buy something nice for your wife, it's expensive, it's a lot of money. We figured out a way to make it workable for everybody. And this is how it works.
Let's hear it. Can't come back.
First, let's start with a little vetla, a little joke. This person was walking down the avenue with his wife, and she stops by a jewelry store, and she sees that beautiful piece. And she says, I must have it. And the husband looks at the tag, and he says, oh my.
The price tag is big.
And he starts mumbling words. And she says, what did you say? I don't get it. He says, right. You don't get it.
You don't get it. Ja, sie versteht nicht an welchen Tasch.
All jokes aside, we have a solution. Listen, let's say you want to build a nice big tennis necklace. A tennis necklace is a nice, big, classy,
wow, look at that
diamond tennis necklace.
Gorgeous. Sparkles, look at the sparkles over there. Gorgeous. Wie viel kostet das?
Well, that cost $32,000.
$32,000, wow.
Yeah. Now, a tennis necklace has a lot of diamonds in it. Many. So the story goes like this. We'll let you buy a stone or two at a time. 1 stone, 2 stones, 3 stones. You'll pay for every stone while you buy it. When you have some extra money, we'll buy another stone and another stone, till we have enough stones to build the necklace.
Wow.
And this way, we can match them better, and we could even do GIA certificates. If you want a real high quality piece, we could do GIA certificates, and
that's like FDA approved.
Yes.
It's approved by GIA, that means
GIA, yes.
GIA. It's the real deal.
Yeah.
Wow.
It's a certificate that certifies that every diamond is genuine and real and high quality.
So what's about? What do you mean to say? So somebody could get the tennis necklace, but not buy the one shot.
Right, exactly. We buy it slowly. Meaning we buy 1 stone at a time, 2 stones, 3 stones at a time. And when we have all the stones, we put it together, and that's when the final purchase happens. But you don't have to pay the whole amount at the end. You pay slowly. You buy 1 stone, you call me up. Say
Ein Mann hat jede extra $1,000 extra from his budget. You can put it away. So they send you every month $1,000.
Yes.
Cost Ashstein.
I buy another few stones. So it depends what we're buying.
Get out of here. So noch 2 Jahre.
Wahrscheinlich gibt es 2 Jahre gewähnt.
Dann müssen wir noch ein Jahr lang weg. Dann müssen wir $15,000. You can purchase a beautiful item.
Exactly.
Lass mal sehen, was meinst du? Du musst eine Sammlungssache tun.
Kick. Weißt du das? Das ist ein Ausstell von Diamonds, loose diamonds. Any shape, any size. We can make it bigger, we make it smaller, like a pair of studs. You could buy 1 stone at a time.
Also ein Stud kostet wie viel?
Das wendet sich, wie viel man will spenden. Das sagst du, das ist $5,500, nicht gesagt, gell?
So let's say somebody doesn't have that money, he only has $500 a week.
Okay, so we'll go a little smaller. $500 a week, fine. Let him wait 2-3 months and he'll have it. What's the problem?
So I feel like einer hat nicht die grobe Geld, jetzt zu kaufen, als a gorgeous studs oder als a gorgeous tennis necklace. He can send you every month a few dollars.
Yeah.
Cost noch a time.
Yeah.
What does he gain? Just curious. I'm going to ask a blunt question. Why should he send you money? Let him put himself the money in his account and put it aside.
If that works for him, that
usually doesn't work.
Usually doesn't work. When you send him the money, we buy the stone. Now, in the last couple of months, gold shot up gefährlich. Things that were $1,000 2 years ago are $2,000 now. I have a friend that bought 3 bracelets for his sons that were getting engaged, and he saved him a few $1,000s.
He's saying because he bought it when they were a little younger.
Right.
and he knew they're going to get engaged soon.
Exactly. So that's another idea.
Oh wow, so woman, before we get to that idea, so this is the double Southern skips a tennis necklace. If you buy a stone at a time, it's going to come out a lot cheaper than buying the whole thing at once.
Usually.
Wow, so that's a great idea, Chavre. You want to buy your wife a tennis necklace which costs you $30,000. Die hast du $30,000. Leider wird jeder Chodesh 1,000, 2,000, schickes Hand zu Rabbi Yitzchak's showcase, and after a few months you have that gorgeous tennis necklace for Yom Tov or for any occasion. Wow, what a gedank. Ganz nichts zu der Gedank von der Husten. So einer hat 3 Bucher im Stieb. Gibt's eine Skille, wenn du kaufst necklaces, Skille beim Husten.
Kaufen Diamonds, kaufen sie.
Ja.
Kauf 3 Diamonds.
You bought 3 diamonds and
3 diamonds, 3 bracelets, yes.
And within a couple of years, they all 3 got engaged.
Yes, right? They're all married.
So he doesn't have to wake up at 10 p.m. Oh, maar zien we naar Husten, ik moet mijn necklace jetzt. Because he has it in his safe. He just pulls it out.
Exactly. And usually when they do a shidduch, they're going to spend more money because they're so excited and they find themselves spending much more than they wanted to spend.
Wow. So you come and buy it before the Husten gets engaged and just have it in a safe in your house, you spend much less money and it's cheaper because price always goes up. Wow. And as mentioned, the saving geld by jewelry, the Husten package you have, the Kuna package you have, is it awesome the Kuna package? Some of my followers, I think, got it. I got major feedback on it. You get again, what's the Zach?
You get a full package for $9,000. That's a bracelet, diamond ring, earrings, necklace, and conditioner ring.
Wow.
So basically, you're covered.
You're covered.
$9,000.
So if you want your chesed to go to Husten, that's going to cover the Kuna package, and then that's going to be a Husten in Kensberg Teller. Okay, that is talks. Tachlis, the oil got, you know, it's funny. You know, it's cute, the idea. I love it. It's your idea. It's a customer to get in. They put away every month $1,000 by you for a massive piece of jewelry.
Actually, was a good friend of mine. I wanted to accommodate him. But then I noticed, you know, why shouldn't I offer it to everybody?
Why shouldn't you offer it to everybody?
Yeah,
it's a great idea. Every month, put money towards your wife's piece. Every month you tell your wife, okay, today, you know, the best thing about getting a prize is the anticipation. Here, the anticipation is over a couple of months. What is the WhatsApp phone number? Is McCann Bastel, McCann Reef, McCann connecting with the showcase?
718-710-7288.
This place is amazing. The showcase, it's beautiful, it's gorgeous, it's quiet, it's peaceful. Whoever saw the last video, I brought out how peaceful and geschmack is to come here. Private appointments, late hours, check out WhatsApp, he sends you back what you want, but you always say, come down and see it yourself. This is an awesome idea. The Olim is now in the country. You're in the city working. Stop putting something together for your wife because she deserves it. In alles geht's.